So 2 months ago, we released a video on a project that we were working on for 2 months. For those who don't know, this project is a remake of Fortnite, the popular battle royale game developed by Epic Games. Our version is developed using Unreal Engine and Amazon GameLift. Now let's get into what we've been doing in the last 2 months. We mainly worked on 2 things, the trajectory of the shooting and grid placement building. It was pretty obvious from our last Fortnite clone video that the paths of the bullets were very inaccurate. The projectile wasn't even spawning off the end of the gun, and the bullet wasn't even going towards the crosshair on the middle of the screen. To fix this, we added a socket on each weapon so that the projectile would spawn out of the weapon. Then, to improve the path of the projectile, we drew out a line trace from the player's camera to see if the line trace collided with anything. If it did, we then used the rotation of the camera and the location of the muzzle socket as parameters when spawning the bullet. And at first, we did all of this in a server remote procedure call since we needed the bullet to replicate, but the bullet ended up spawning on the wrong location client side. To fix this, we moved the calculation of the location and rotation to the client side and passed those values to our server method in which it called spawnActor. Next up, for the grid placement building, we have to give a huge shout out to Unreal Game Dev on YouTube. He has a great tutorial on how to recreate Fortnite's building system using blueprints, and although he used blueprints while we use C++, we simply used the same math logic and rewrote it in C++. It's pretty much just getting a location projected a certain distance away from the player based on where it's looking at, and dividing the location's X, Y, and Z values by the structure's respective size values. The values are then rounded to the nearest integer and then multiplied by the structure's respective size values. This will give us the new location, and the rotation is calculated in a similar way. Now we know that we're still far away from an actual Fortnite clone. There are still many game mechanics missing.
Yeah, there should be like a compass indicator once you get shot, like off the blood.
Oh yeah, it does move too fast. I haven't played much Fortnite, but I can tell you the circle does not move that fast.
Yo, do me a solid and put a sniper rifle in this game. Is there fall damage yet, or?
No.
This, like a fish skin.
But this game is purely for educational purposes. We have no plans on monetizing the game, and as the GitHub repository gains more popularity, we want this open source project to become a common template so that people can refer to it for examples on how to implement concepts in C++ related to replication, multiplayer, networking, and GameLift. Therefore, one of our main focuses now is just cleaning the code and reorganizing it so that the project is more readable and easier to use. However, we will still work on some game mechanics such as client-side prediction. For example, when spawning anything on the server, there will be a noticeable delay between when the client wants to spawn an actor and when the server actually spawns that actor and replicates it to the client. With building, the structure could be built on just the client side first, and when the server call is finally reached, we not only spawn a structure in the exact same location and rotation, server side, but also destroy the client side spawn structure. Also, we want to try to build a lobby type system so that players can join a game without inputting a code. Right now we have to manually generate a game session code from GameLift and distribute the code to our players. Then our players will use this code in the main menu, and that's how they join a game. We hope to automate this process using GameLift's queuing system by our next update video. All in all, this is what we hope to get done by the time that video comes out. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Join our Discord. We currently have a great community going on there, and consider supporting us on Patreon. As always, have a great day.
No. Go get out. Go get out.